Hills in the last few days. A truck with registration number AS01NC3867 collided with 4 vehicles in Yalong near Civil Hospital in Jowai, seriously injuring 2 people and damaging several vehicles. The incident took place around 3 p.m. on Thursday. Witnesses reported that a clinker-loaded truck travelling from Lomshnong was speeding when it reached the area near Civil Hospital, after which the driver lost control and crashed into 4 vehicles. The driver of the truck, identified as Sanju Dakhar from Wapung Shnong, has been arrested and an investigation is underway. Along with the rest of the world,